anything drift. And so we're gonna give it a try and see if he'll love it. Let's check it out. Oh, it's taped closed pretty nicely. This is a 1/24 scale. All right, it is in red and black is the version we ended up getting. Looks like it's in here pretty securely. Let's see if I can get it out. Might take me a second. One down. All right, we got our drift car. Pretty neat looking. Looks like all the batteries and stuff go down here. You do have to open them with a little screwdriver. But I really like the style and I think he's gonna love it. It's even got a cute little sunroof. Let's see what else comes in the box. We have our instructions. Looks like we got some extra wheels in there. We have the battery, and we have some little cones. We can make it drift around. It's just got all the little extras and features. And then here's our charger. And then the remote is also in here pretty well. Let's see if we can break that out. Here's our remote. On and off switch, and it also requires some batteries that we're going to have to screw in. So once we get it up and running, we'll also show that. Thanks for checking it out with me, guys.